Back at the #1 beach in America. Must have had high tide last night or something. That might prove to be some good photo ops this morning. But I think in order to do that, I need to cut across there, let the sun be behind me. I got you on the monopad. So hopefully, there's some birds, water. Birds are having a blast in that water this morning. Let's see if it's as trashed as it was last time I was here. Wow, there's the sun. Time for the shades. It's the first time I think I've seen it all morning. I was going to do some metal detecting this morning, but a little late. If I was up doing it already, it'd be one thing, but start this late, why? I'm going to try to get some good photo ops here on this water with these birds. See where that goes. This must have all been mushy water this morning. I can feel it on my feet. And really, I still have flip-flops on. I should have took them off, left them in the car. But I can always stuff them in my pocket again. I don't know if I'll get out there to them birds. That's pretty soft. I mean, I don't care. But thank God for zoom lens at this point. Forget to clear photos. So I get to take 400 today. Somebody drove through there. I can't say that really. Alright, so we're at the #1 beach in America. It's not too busy right now. It's getting that way though. Let's see what we can find. Photo ops, people's things left behind. We're going to try to get some of these birds. Hopefully they're not paying too close attention to me. Alrighty. I'll turn you back on in a few minutes. I'll let you know how this went down. Roughly 50 birds. See if we can get some good pictures.